We are here today at Hope on Park in our creative space, enjoying a good glass of wine. Hope on Park is a great location right down on the center of Paso Robles. The front area is called our sidewalk bar. You have the pleasure of walking through and getting the glass of wine. You can have a tasting and just mingle with different folks that are visiting. And then behind the sidewalk bar, we have a creative space. There's 3 lounges with different concepts. You can come, you'll enter the back with a saber of sparkling. Then you can choose a vertical of tasting. You can do a black glass. We are always inventing and trying to be innovative with new experiences to keep the consumer and the guests excited to come back. We are proud to say that if you are a guest visiting any one of our locations for Hope Family Wines, you would have unreasonable hospitality. Everybody is featured as a VIP from the second you enter with a splash of wine to the time that you're sitting at the table with the stewards and actually enjoying your time tasting the wine. The service and the hospitality is just unbelievable. If you haven't been to Paso Robles or Hope Family Wines or anything by Austin Hope, you need to come visit.